How you doing? This is Darren Johnson, strongmoneyplan.com. Today I'm going to take you back into my cryptocurrency trading log, and we're going to do an update on my trading results that I'm achieving through Copyprotraders. Now, this is a great program, and I've been online for quite a while now, and I've never seen anything that has been true to what they said that they were going to do, the way that Copyprotraders is. And for the first time in my online experiences here, I can say that I'm comfortable and encouraged and excited to promote this company, because I can sleep at night knowing that I am recommending a real deal company and not a scam. And if you've seen any of my other videos, you know that I've been a victim 3 times over of cryptocurrency scam programs. So I'm very leery, and I was very protective of getting involved with cryptocurrency until I came across Copyprotraders. And I'm going to show you why right now so that you can see what I'm talking about. So again, this is my cryptocurrency trading log that I created. And I use this to track all my trading results with my own personal numbers that I get from the inside of my Kraken exchange. So let's just take a look and see what we're doing. And today is the 14th of April. And as you can see, I've got a grand total in profits of $1,360.22. Now, these are my own personal results. And, my results aren't necessarily indicative of what your results are going to be. So just keep that in mind. These are my own personal results that I'm sharing with you. And so as you can see, I got started on the 26th of March, and I started by trading $400 into my account per trade. And I've got my account set up now where I'm trading on 10 trades. So you can see here the numbers as I scroll down. The outcome percentages are here and the profits are here. And you get all the green represents positive trades that have closed in my favor. The red represents negative trades that have closed, and cost me money. And then I have one break-even trade out of all the trades that I've done. And you'll see that there are quite a few. So, as I scroll through, you can see some of these numbers here. As you can see, I lost a couple. On the 5th of April, I lost $16.03.19. And the only other couple of losses, I lost another one here on the 10th for $8.94, and then 2 on the 13th. And that's it. The rest of them are all green, and you can see the numbers here: $42.61, $54.54. And as a matter of fact, let's take a snapshot of yesterday, the 13th of April. So I'm going to grab each one so you can see. And the yellow ones are trades that I'm actively in right now. Okay, so that's what that means. So if you go to the bottom here, you can see that I made $169.66 just yesterday. And that's taking into account the 2 trades that I lost. And there were a total of 6 trades right there. So that's just yesterday. And so how do you know that these numbers are real and that I'm not making them up? Well, let's go into the back office of my Kraken exchange and let's verify where I got these numbers from. So I'm going to sign in and use my 2-factor authentication, which I love because it provides an extra layer of security for my benefit, so that it makes it very difficult for anyone to hack into my account. And let's go into my trading history by clicking on trades. And you can see there's an entire ledger of trades here with numbers. So all I did was I took the numbers from the back office of my Kraken account and I typed them into my own personal spreadsheet so that I could see my specific numbers and how I'm doing. Okay, and if you're interested, I'm more than happy to give you my Microsoft Excel spreadsheet so you can track your own personal trading history. But as you can see, I've got quite a few trades in here. There's more than 50 trades. This is just the top 50, but if I click on see history, you will see that I've got 118 trades, okay? And you can see the numbers there. I won't go through all of them, but you can see I'm buying and selling, and that's what the professional traders do. They buy low and sell high, and when there's dips, they buy the dip deep. And I love that, because when it comes back up, you can make more money. And one other thing that I wanted to point out is the beauty of Copyprotraders is when I talk about putting my money into my own private Kraken exchange, that's my exchange. The traders never touch my money. The trading is done through API keys. So once you set it up one time, you're done, and you pick your trader. And then whenever they make a trade in their account, the API keys send a signal to my personal Kraken exchange, and the same trade is executed on my behalf. And so that makes me sleep easier at night, knowing that my cryptocurrency and my assets are safe, and no one is ever going to walk away with my cryptocurrency like has happened to me so many times in the past. As a matter of fact, the traders don't even know how much money I'm trading. They have no knowledge of it. It's all done inside my own personal Kraken exchange. So the reassurance there is, God forbid, if Copyprotraders ever decided to close up shop, my cryptocurrency and my money is not going with them. It's staying right here, safe inside of my Kraken exchange. Now, of course, trading is risky, and I showed you some trades that I've lost, and there's always that possibility. But I'm just showing you that since I've been involved with Copyprotraders and I've used their system to connect to professional traders, you can see the results that I've been getting, and I'm quite pleased with these numbers. I mean, I've only been in since the 26th of March. Today is the 14th of April, and I've already shown $1,360.22 in profit. And again, these are my own numbers, and this is my own trading account, and these my own deposits into my Kraken exchange that has worked for me to build out this profit level. And so I love this because it provides you an opportunity. If you have some cash and you want to get your money working for you, then this is a great opportunity to let your money work for you. And so that's what I do. I use my extra discretionary income and I put it into my Kraken exchange, and I let the professional traders go to work on my behalf, and they trade for me. So if this sounds like anything that interests you, feel free to click the link below this video or go to strongmoneyplan.com, and you'll be able to get more information there, and I'll be happy to assist you and connect with you and talk to you personally about my experiences, what trader I'm following, and how you can get yourself set up, okay? And I've also got a lot of training that I'm including over at strongmoneyplan.com so that you can see how to do this all for yourself. So this is Darren Johnson, and I will talk to you in another update video coming your way soon. Thank you.